In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Smartsheet pricing plans and choose the right one for your team. The first thing you want to do is open the Smartsheet pricing page. This is the best place to start because it gives you the most current information in one place. Pricing pages are often updated as products change, so it's always better to review the official source rather than relying on older articles or screenshots. Once you're on the page, take a moment to scan the layout so you can clearly see the different plans being offered. Next, review each available plan carefully. Don't rush through don't rush through this part. Look at what each plan is called, how it's positioned, and who it seems to be designed for. Usually, pricing tiers are built to serve different types of users, from individuals and small teams to larger organizations with more advanced needs. As you read, try to understand the general purpose of each option before focusing on the fine details. After that, compare the user limits and permission options. This is very important because a plan may look affordable at first, but it may not support the number of people who need access. Pay close attention to how many users are included and what kinds of permissions those users can have. For example, some plans may be better for basic collaboration, while others allow more control over who can edit, manage, or view content. Matching this to your team structure can save problems later. Then move on to comparing features such as dashboards, reports, automations, and integrations. These are often the tools that make the biggest difference in day-to-day work. Dashboards help teams view key information in one place. Reports make it easier to organize data. Automations can reduce manual work, and integrations help Smartsheet connect with other tools your team may already use. As you compare plans, think about which of these features are essential versus simply nice to have. You should also check which plans include admin and security controls. This matters even more if your team handles sensitive projects, needs centralized management, or wants stronger governance. Higher tier plans often include more advanced administrative settings and security options. So make sure you understand whether those controls are necessary for your environment. From there, compare monthly and annual billing. Annual billing often provides a lower cost over time, while monthly billing can offer more flexibility. Think about your budget, how long you expect to use the platform, and whether predictable long-term pricing is important. Finally, choose the plan that best matches your team size and work requirements. The goal is not just to pick the cheapest option, but the one that gives your team the right balance of access, features, control, and value.